Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the conjunction 和 to express and in Mandarin Chinese. This structure is frequently used to list similar items such as two people, two things, or two actions. For example, 我的妈妈和爸爸都很忙。我的妈妈和爸爸都很忙。My mom and dad are both very busy. 我喜欢吃汉堡和薯条。我喜欢吃汉堡和薯条。I like to eat hamburgers and French fries. 今天天气很好，我想和你一起出去玩。我想和你一起出去玩。今天天气很好，我想和你一起出去玩。Okay, let's do some practice. Practice 1. Please combine the following nouns use the conjunction 和 in Chinese. The first one is 狗 dog. Second one is 猫 cat. How to say that? Practice 2. Please create a sentence using the structure and translate it into English. 他喜欢吃饺子和面条。他喜欢看电影和电视剧。So how to say that in English? Okay, in this lesson, we have learned how to use the conjunction 和 to express and in Chinese. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.